This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which Apple ID charges you. That tells you where subscription's live. Once identified, open Settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions so you're directly at the list of active services. Make sure you have your device passcode and payment method details available. You'll need them to confirm changes. This avoids delays and accidental cancellations on the wrong account, and it ensures you can immediately manage each service rather than searching through menus. Now, tap each subscription to cancel or switch to a cheaper plan. Canceling stops the next recurring charge while keeping access until the period ends. If you use family sharing, make sure you're not removing a shared organizer's plan accidentally. Check other devices signed into the same Apple ID. Once done, review the next billing date and any prorated refunds so you know when charges will cease. If an app uses third-party billing, cancel through the provider, as well to fully stop payments. Finally, remove or replace your payment method in Settings, Payment, and Shipping to prevent new charges. This is the last line of defense once subscriptions are canceled. Then check your purchase history to verify no unexpected charges remain and note any transaction ID. If you still see charges after 48 hours, contact Apple support with those ID and your Apple ID. They can trace payments and issue refunds. Troubleshooting tip: if charges persist, look for subscriptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.